Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to do a high staggered stance cable row, okay? So you're going to set your cable machine at pretty high, okay? And then we're going to get back, step back, nice big step, stagger. So the opposite side leg is going to be in front, okay? And then you come back, squeeze the glute, turn on the abdominals. We're going to go from pronated to neutral grip. Nice and controlled back. A little bit of contraction at the end. Okay, nice and strong. Go ahead and switch. Step back, big step. Let that scapula glide. Turn that abdominal area on nice and strong. Try not to let it pull you forward. Whew. So, give those a go. They're a great back exercise. Don't let it pull you forward. Really turn these on. That's what the stagger's there for. It's going to try and pull you forward, but we're going to maintain a lot of tension here and fight it, okay? And you'll grow a lot of muscles in this area right here, okay? So give it a go. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.